Welcome to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from Atlas O, MTH, and more. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Atlas is pleased to announce the production of the Premier O Monon Streamlined Passenger Set for Mr. Muffin's trains. The passenger cars feature the distinctive black and gold colors of the Monon, packaged as a 5-car set and a single 70-foot RPO passenger car. This distinctive 6-car configuration features LED overhead lighting, detailed car interiors, O-scale passenger figures, and die-cast metal trucks and couplers. The set is expected to arrive in September 2024. The early order price for the 5-car passenger set is $679.95, and for the RPO is $129.95. Atlas O will be producing an exclusive 6-car ribbed side passenger car set in Wabash colors exclusively for Mr. Muffin's trains. The set includes a baggage car, diner, 3 dome coaches, and an observation car. Delivery is expected in October 2024. The early order price for the 6-car set is $659.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale AC6000 diesel engine in Western New York and Pennsylvania colors for exclusive distribution by EZ Catch. The locomotive will be available in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis beginning in August 2024. The early order price is $549.99 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has announced an uncatalogued production of the Rail King O-Gauge Bump and Go trolley in distinctive Skyline Chili colors for exclusive distribution by Dixie Union Station. The trolley will be available on a first-come, first-served basis in extremely limited quantities beginning in November 2024. The pre-order price is $89.95 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 Rail King O-Gauge P47 462 Pacific Steam locomotive and matching 60-foot Madison passenger cars in Baltimore and Ohio, Boston and Maine, Great Northern, Jersey Central, and Santa Fe colors this fall. The locomotives and cars will be available in extremely limited quantities and are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in October 2024. Locomotives are priced at $529.95 each, while 4-car passenger sets are priced at $359.95. The 2-car diner and combo car sets are $179.95, and single 60-foot coach cars are $89.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale AC6000 diesel in Santa Fe black bonnet colors for Patrick's Trains. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in August 2024. The early order price is $549.99 plus freight. MTH will be producing an exclusive 2-story storefront building for Mr. Muffin's trains. The Mr. Muffin's building will come fully assembled and painted and includes interior illumination. The structures are expected to arrive in November 2024. The pre-order price is $69.95. MTH Electric Trains will be producing an exclusive 40-foot steel-sided power meter car in Monon colors for Mr. Muffin's trains. Like MTH's other power meter cars, the car will feature an onboard voltmeter and will be decorated in a similar scheme to the one depicted here. The cars are expected to arrive in December 2024 with an early order price of $80.95 each. For your summer reading, 400-plus thrilling and unbelievable train facts for enthusiasts is now available in paperback and Kindle editions. Whether an emerging railway enthusiast, a history buff, or a dedicated fan of locomotive marvels, this book is the ideal gift to satisfy your hunger for train insights. Within this comprehensive book of facts, you will discover 400-plus mind-bending, entertaining, and remarkable train facts and trivia. Unbelievable facts covering legendary engineers, tales of extraordinary railroad feats, and the most advanced technology in locomotion, and the quirkiest anecdotes from the world of trains. Featuring an immersive interior layout, Crafted to engage the reader's imagination and authored by a passionate railway enthusiast with insights into the thrilling world of trains, these 20 diverse chapters spanning iconic locomotive models, historic railway journeys, technical advancements, famous engineers, and much more. Follow the link in the video description for pricing and availability. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And also a programming note, from May through July 2024, we will be publishing our long-format videos every other Saturday to allow time to pursue outdoor activities and family time. Episode number 189 is scheduled for publishing on June 8, 2024 at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. The What's New and O Gauge series will continue weekly publication every Tuesday at 9 a.m. to provide you with new product information throughout the summer. That's all for this week, and thanks for watching.